I'm an acquaintance of your father's. I have a gift I was instructed to bring you this. These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Gi-yun has passed away. Before he died, he left these things for you, Ka-yong.
Все твои обещания пустота.